We got to talk about this because it is already the hot summer days of Texas, and it's only going to get hotter from here.
And that's exactly right. Especially as we move through this week in Madison, we're going to see those temperatures climb by a degree or two and eventually rise into the upper 90s by Sunday. I do want to talk real quick about the pavement because it gets extremely hot in the summer. And when temperatures are around 95, which they will be today, around 94 degrees is our high temperature, the asphalt's going to be more like 140 degrees. So if you're taking your dog on a walk, make sure they have a shaded surface to walk on, or they have a grassy surface, because your dog's paws can burn in just a matter of minutes if you're walking them on extremely hot concrete or on asphalt. I do want to talk about the temperatures continuing through the rest of the day today. 88 degrees for you around lunchtime, and then we'll continue to see those temperatures climb back around 94 degrees for you around that 4 p.m. hour, then dipping back down into the lower 90s. By the way, that's Mr. Fluffy McFlufferson right there. He's having a great time indoors. Now, I want to go ahead and talk about what we're going to be expecting for the rest of this weekend. 95 degrees is our hottest day so far, but we're going to be seeing that as we continue through this weekend. Some of the hottest temperatures that we will be anticipating so far this year expected into Saturday and Sunday, with highs topping out in the mid to upper 90s. But again, because we have a lot of moisture content in the atmosphere, it's going to feel more like the upper 90s or the lower triple digits. And you can see it's going to be a really hot forecast continuing even through the start of the next week. Today, a couple spotty showers are possible. Generally speaking, going to be for northwestern counties and along the Red River Valley. An isolated cell, not out of the forecast here across the Metroplex, but most of us likely to stay dry. Just remember, if you hear thunder or if you see lightning, you need to make sure you're heading indoors and taking precautions. Here's a look at around 3 p.m. Again, a couple spotty showers and thunderstorms to the north of the I-20 corridor, but most of us are dry. That's the case moving into the day tomorrow, with a few isolated cells probable along the Red River Valley once again, just thanks to a disturbance that's sparked up, and it'll just kind of stall out and then move off to the east. Moving into your Saturday and Sunday, again, we're likely to stay dry, but the next week we have a chance for more scattered, stronger thunderstorms. Not looking at severe weather, but we do have the possibility for a couple of isolated cells here and there Monday through Wednesday. But the good news is, as we head into the 4th of July weekend, things are looking much clearer. Once again, make sure you're staying hydrated as we move into this weekend with the hottest days so far this year, Madison.
All right.